SimpleStamping.com. I'm so glad you could join me for today's 2-minute tip. Hey, we're going to be talking today about how to take a stamp set. For instance, this is this little piggy, and the words are actually attached to the image. Maybe you don't want to use those words. I'm going to share with you how you can remove that. I wanted you to see, for instance, this one here, it says, "You make me happy," and I've cut it off. And you may go, "But Connie, you missed it terribly." Well, actually, no, I didn't. It actually was perfect along with the rubber. But if I want those words, it's just like piecing together a little puzzle. I can just tuck that in, and now I can use the words with the stamp. Now, let's get into how to do that cutting and not damage the actual image. So here I've got the one that says, "She believed she could," and I'm just going to be cutting right across. As you do that, you're just going to gently push through the rubber. Oh, you notice I have some chipboard underneath me. Goodness, I wouldn't want to scratch my table. So you do want to have something underneath you to protect. And I'm just going to drag that across there. It's kind of best if you can kind of get through the rubber. Remember, there's foam under that rubber. Again, slow and steady. Don't be in a hurry. And there you go. Now you can take your stamp set from just being a stamp with a sentiment, and you kind of get to double dip now, don't you? Well, I hope you found today's tip helpful. I hope you can give that one a try. Just go grab yourself an X-Acto knife. You're going to be good to go. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Have a great Tuesday. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.